In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Samsung. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View from the list. Then click on the other app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. If you wish to switch places of your apps, you can always do that by clicking on those 3 dots in the middle of them and tapping on this icon with 2 arrows. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!